And meanwhile, in Malacanang, President Aquino directed government agencies to take steps in ensuring the safety of civilians in Zamboanga City. The president also sent the secretaries of DILG and Defense, as well as the AFP chief, to Zamboanga City to help resolve the crisis. Rocky Ignacio with the details.
President Aquino has instructed his security officials to take the necessary actions to ensure the safety of civilian population following the attack of the alleged Moro National Liberation Front breakaway Nur Misuari group in Zamboanga City. The president met with the security cluster and was briefed by the AFP and the PNP on the situation. Defense Secretary Walter Gasmin, DILG Secretary Mar Rojas, and AFP Chief of Staff General Emmanuel Bautista have been sent to the area to ensure that the president's directives are carried out.
The President directed that certain steps be taken to ensure that the safety of the civilian population in general be protected. The President is also in contact with the city government of Zamboanga. At this time, upon the direction of the President, the Secretary of the Interior and Local Government, the Secretary of National Defense, and the AFP Chief of Staff have been sent to Zamboanga City, where they will further ensure that the President's directives are carried out and will update him accordingly.
The city government has suspended classes and operations of offices within the city due to the incident, while Malacanang has appealed to residents to stay alert and cooperate with the authorities.
In the interest of public safety, we appeal to all Zamboanga City residents to stay alert for official announcements and updates and to cooperate with the authorities.
Malacanang, on the other hand, warned Zamboanga residents against disinformation that might cause fear and alarm. La Cierda also clarified that the 1996 government-MNLF peace agreement has not been terminated, saying that there is an ongoing tripartite review process with the MNLF to be held in Indonesia next week. Indonesia was the facilitator of the 1996 government-MNLF peace agreement and the current head of the Organization of the Islamic Cooperation or OIC Peace Committee for Southern Philippines.
Well, unang-una po, kasi nga po itong lumabas na balita na ilang mga elemento na terminate na po ng GPH yung peace process. Hindi po totoo yun. Yun po ang ginagamit na sangkalan ng ilang mga quarters ng specifically si Attorney Fontanilla kaninang umaga na interview kanina at sa kanyang pananalita sa mga pahayagan na terminate na raw ang peace process. Hindi po totoo yun. In fact, may ongoing tripartite review process po tayo at yun po ay dapat gagawin sa susunod na linggo. So, hindi pa ho tapos yung usaping yun, ang bigla na lang pinutol nila at sinasabi nilang wala na. Maraming kumakalat na balita doon po sa Holo, sa Basilan, na ganoon po nangyari. Hindi po totoo. I would like to clarify that there is an ongoing tripartite review process with the MNLF, facilitated by the OIC.
Meanwhile, La Cierda refrained from commenting about the possible arrest of Misuari. The palace is also confident that the ongoing peace process with the Moro Islamic Liberation Front will not be affected by the attacks in Zamboanga City. For the People's Television, Rocky Ignacio.